Hello and greetings to our lecturers, Dr.Sarah and Dr.Zuwairi, our PBL lecturer. Today our group 1, will present about the PBL question which is titled about Super Chicken Unleashed, Productivity vs Ethics in High-Stakes Poultry Science. We will bring about the ethical issue, preliminary decision, similar case study with the issue, harm test, professional test, fake test, publicity test. These are my group members as well, me myself DIVYASHINI, Chelsea, Ayu, Aina and Zulaikha. Stock industry is currently developing genetically modified super chickens using recombinant DNA technology. By boosting growth hormone levels, these chickens grow much faster, are significantly larger, have lower body fat, and show improved resistance to disease. At first glance, this sounds like a major breakthrough for the poultry industry. Faster growth means higher productivity and greater profits. However, the reality isn't that simple. These chickens are also experiencing severe side effects like stress, weak bones, frequent injuries, and even high death rates. While the project promises impressive economic returns, it raises serious concerns about animal welfare and ethical responsibility. The main ethical issue is the suffering of genetically modified chickens due to the excessive growth hormones. There are also a safety risk if injured or dead chickens enter the food supply.
Next, we move on to talking about the preliminary decision on the super chicken case. We agree on the development of super chickens using recombinant DNA techniques and super chicken farming, as it is still economically lucrative as injured and dead chickens are still used in various chicken products. We have a similar case study to this case, which is the aqua advantage salmon, which is known as salmon engineered with chinook salmon growth hormone gene and an ocean pulp promoter. It allows it to grow year-round and it reaches market size in 16 to 18 months. Approved by the FDA as safe and nutritious because these fish are raised in secure, land-based facilities to prevent environmental risks.
We also made harm tests for the super chicken. This data show two options, which is support production of super chicken and also ban production of super chicken. First party as consumer, if they support it, their cost decrease and supply increase, meanwhile the ethical and quality concerns. If they ban it, the consumer can avoid potential long-term health effects, but need to spend higher costs and limited supply of chicken products. For the stock industry, there will increase in efficiency, but the consumer challenging management if support the super chicken. For banning it, they might avoid higher labor costs and safety concerns, but it lower the growth of chicken. If government support the production of super chicken, may happen economy and innovation grow.
But in regulatory compliance, by government ban it, they can avoid the need for stricter laws and enforcement, but they will lower global reputation. Lastly, ecosystem adapts the super chicken. They can increase pest resistance, and the cons were environmental contamination. The pros for ecosystem for not accepting this production is avoiding disruption in local species and ecological balance, but it may happen increasing of food losses.
For professional tests, we have Animal Welfare Act 2015 Malaysia Act 702, which ensure the human treatment of animals, including poultry, through national welfare standards, especially practices in producing super chicken. Second, we have the Biosafety Act 2007, Act 678 that regulates the use, release, and import to GMOs, including GM animals like super chicken. Third is Food Act 1983 and Food Regulation 1985. In super chicken case, this law have prevent unsafe meat from being sold and requires the clear labeling of GM. Weight tests for super chicken cases are shown at here based on 4 main religions in Malaysia. First, Islam. Super chickens may violate Islamic ethics due to cruelty, unnatural suffering, and impurity risk, as according to Surah Al-Baqarah, or maintain it from whatever is on earth that is lawful and good, halal and tayyib. Next, Buddhism. Practice ahimsa, which is non-harming and compassion, for example, Dhammapada, shows all tremble at violence, all fear death. Comparing oneself with others, one should not kill or cause others to kill. Third, Hinduism shows genetically altering chickens for profit breaks the law of nature and harms karma. It refers to manusmriti, which is one should abstain from injuring all living beings in thought, word, and deed. For Christianity religion, according to Proverbs, which show the righteous care for the needs of their animals, but the kindest acts of the wicked are cruel, and explain that if any animal suffer, the act violates Christian duty to protect God's creation.
As a public, we had to make a publicity test because we believe in the responsibility to have transparent scientific advancement communications among the general public. Super chickens that are developed and produced through recombinant DNA technology offers efficient agricultural and food security. So, as public, we feel comfortable to contribute to a future where improved food security through scientific and genetic technologies by adopting healthy discussions. After careful consideration, the development of super chickens through recombinant DNA technology offers promising benefits for economical growth, improved efficiency, and higher disease resistance, as we can conclude that through responsible regulations and human treatment, biotechnology can advance further while maintaining high ethical standards, leading to both innovation and ethics to coexist together in agricultural biotechnology. That's all from us, and thank you for watching our presentation.